guys, welcome back to my channel with a brand new video. Finally, I am actually filming this video for you guys. So it's a total festive vibes all over and we all know घर पे सबके festivals का already preparation start हो चुका है. It's like कि everybody is busy in the preparations of Diwali 2022. Finally things are happening after COVID. I think ये पहला साल है कि सब लोग actually festivals को enjoy कर रहे हैं. So in this video I do have few items. I picked up few items for you guys as well because I really wanna show you guys these particular outfits that I got for myself just because these are so good and even these are not like कि आप सिर्फ इसको occasion के लिए पहन सकते हो या फिर आप घर में नहीं पहन सकते या फिर so I have already selected few items for myself but I also wanted something that totally matches my vibe, not too blingy for the festive season and not too simple. For the very first kurta that I do have with me is this trendy, beautiful and the cutest kurta I actually saw on Myntra. एंड इसके पीछे की स्टोरी भी मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगी. सो दिस इज द कुर्ता. ऑलरेडी आप इसको भी बहुत जगह देख चुके होंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिटेलिंग. सो दीज आर द स्ट्रैप्स. इफ यू कैन सी कम्प्लीटली ये इसकी स्ट्रैप्स हैं एंड इसकी स्ट्रैप्स पे भी दे हैव दीज पर्टिकुलर सेक्शंस कि आप इसकी स्ट्रैप को लूज कर सकते हो या फिर इसकी स्ट्रैप को आप थोड़ा टाइट कर सकते हो एंड आई टोटली लव्ड इट. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इस कुर्ते की नूडल स्ट्रैप नहीं है. इफ़ यू वांना इवन डायरेक्टली वेयर द यू नो स्ट्रैप वाला ब्रा इनसाइड इट यू कैन टोटली वेयर इट बिकॉज इसका बहुत ब्रॉड स्ट्रैप है. आई टोटली लव्ड इट. एंड थर्ड पार्ट इज दिस इज नॉट इवन सी थ्रू. ये सी थ्रू नहीं है एंड द मटीरियल इज सो कम्फर्टेबल. आई हैव ऑलरेडी यू नो checked. I have already tried it. This costs, where's the costing? The MRP of this kurta is 1660. I got this kurta in rupees 569. You can wear, you can style it with the ripped jeans, you can style it with the plain black jeans, with palazzos, with dupatta as well. This is totally a comfortable kurta and इसका कुर्ते का मटेरियल इज़ सो सॉफ्ट. मतलब इफ़ यू आर एक्चुअली a person who wants something like a comfortable cloth material or something like कि जो आपको problem ना दे, like if you are going out you feel sweaty in some sort of material of kurtas, then this is the kurta that you actually want. It has some sort of casual and you know funky vibes इस कुर्ते में. So I totally loved it. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये कुर्ता. This is the second kurta that I got. Don't judge me if you feel like कि ये कुर्ताज बिल्कुल भी फेस्टिव वाइब से मैच नहीं करते हैं ऐसा कुछ भी because I am not a person who is totally dependent on the clothes only. I love styling my clothes. So I prefer most of the time I prefer some basic and subtle outfits. If I am choosing too much of blingy outfit then I'll go very basic like no heavy makeup, no bangles, no accessories, just a little bit of earrings, small earrings and that's it. So that's my vibe. That's why I have selected few subtle basic kurtas because definitely on the festive seasons as well we do have a lot of festivals coming now, right now. For the second kurta that I bought for myself is this beautiful V-neck kurta and this is the detailing on the sleeves. These are the third fourth sleeves जो मैंने actually model पर देखी थी on the website and ये मुझे थोड़ी सी I think इतनी ही sleeves हैं. ये मेरा ये third fourth ही है. ये थोड़ा सा मे बी extra हो सकता है but totally love the color. I can easily style it with black trousers, with white palazzos, white pajamas. किसी के साथ भी ये जाएगा बहुत easily. If you wanna pair this as a complete formal suit, you can go with the white dupatta and white palazzos and you are good to go. So this is the exact kurta that I got. The best part about this kurta is the V-neck detailing. I totally loved it. मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया था. If you wanna accessorize it, so you can go with some oxidized jewelries. I am a jewelry junkie बहुत अच्छे से and I love to wear a heavy jhumkas on a very basic outfit and that's the totally festive vibes I can say. Talking about the MRP, the exact MRP is 2199. if I can say almost 2200 का ये कुर्ता था. I got this in ₹599. I totally loved shopping from Myntra. If you want to know how to style these basic kurtas, then don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I will post on the screen my Instagram handle. Go and follow me there as well. I love posting such reels for you guys. So stay tuned with me on the Instagram and YouTube. Subscribe करो यार जल्दी से. For the third outfit, this beautiful kurta that I got. This is the basic festive haul जो आप भाई दूज धनतेरस आप उस पे वेयर कर सकते हो ये कुर्ताज, and even at home as well. It has a pocket. Guys, it has a pocket lad. You know the vibe. अगर आपको लहंगे में या आपके कुर्ते में आपको पॉकेट्स मिल जाती हैं. I totally loved it. मैं इसको अगर स्टाइल करना चाहती हूँ तो I can go with a heavy दुपट्टा, या फिर I can go with my jeans और with my basic white चूड़ीदार. किसी के साथ भी मैं इसको ट्राई कर सकती हूँ. I have actually selected all the outfits just like मुझे अगर उसको कैजुअल तरीके से ट्राई करना है I can definitely style it up. मुझे उसको अगर I can say formally उसको वेयर करना है for office और for colleges, मैं उसको वैसे भी ट्राई कर सकती हूँ. It's not like कि एक कुर्ता पर्टिकुलर एक बॉटम वेयर के साथ ही जाएगा. नो, आई लव मिक्स मैचिंग माई आउटफिट, सो दैट्स वाई आई सिलेक्टेड these outfits for myself. The exact MRP of this kurta is $1899. It's for 1900. The exact MRP. It's from Anok, and you all know the brand. Myntra पे अगर आप इसके कुर्ता चेक करोगे आपको सारे कुर्ते पसंद आएंगे. The material, I do have a lot of kurtas from this brand and मुझे बहुत पसंद है वो सारे ही, because the work they have and the material of the cloth they actually use for the kurtas. I am a fan of this. I got this and I got this kurta in ₹600 and something. Exact price मुझे नहीं पता है, मैं अभी स्क्रीन पे कहीं पोस्ट कर दूँगी. So I totally loved the vibe of this kurta. Moving on to the next kurta that I bought. It's so basic. मैंने basically ये kurta जो लिया था ये इसलिए लिया था because I totally loved the print of this kurta and I really wanted something like that. इसका मुझे again this kurta is from Anok. Now you can totally understand that why I love this brand. The detailing of the sleeves, these are the a little bit of frill, but ये थोड़ी सी broad sleeves हैं. Last में you can see these are the sleeves and this is the exact detailing of the kurta. I totally loved it. It has a U neck and पीछे से थोड़ा सा ये button work है इस पे. The best part about this kurta is this actually you can I can say you can style this kurta with your pair of jeans, and if you wanna go out for college, this is totally a college outfit. The MRP of the this kurta is 1099 and I got this kurta in just ₹349. 349 में ब्रांडेड कुर्ता मुझे मिल गया है मिंत्रा से. आई टोटली लव्ड इट गाइज. द वे दिस कुर्ता एक्चुअली is looking over my neckline is totally amazing. Even I can wear a simple black choker and I'm done for the outfit. So I totally loved this kurta as well. Moving on to the last outfit of this video. Now last kurta of this video. This kurta is again from Anok. Now you know the actual hype of Anok के कुर्ताज. Anok के जितने भी एथनिक ड्रेसेस हैं you must try it out. उनके पास बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन है इस ब्रांड के पास. So this is the kurta that I got. कैमरे पे ये भी बहुत ब्राइट लग रहा है. This is the kurta, actual kurta, and this is the detailing of the sleeve. It has a broad I can say border sleeves per, and the neckline is too pretty. But the best part about this kurta is this kurta has 3 colors of blue, 3 different variants of blue in same kurta, and this is the design that I totally loved it. I don't know what to say. This is in the S size that I got. The actual price of this kurta is $1699 and I got this in ₹700 and something. इसके साथ अब बेसिक वाइट झुमका या फिर ब्लू झुमका या फिर ब्लैक झुमका सब चीज़ें चलेंगी. अब ब्लैक बिंदी and you are good to go girls. This is something that you must try out, and Anok के कुर्ते is amazing, fab. मिंत्रा पे ऐसे बहुत सारे brands हैं that I've already अमेजिंग कलेक्शन ऑफ कुर्ताज और मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया ये. सो यू कैन ट्राई दीज आउट. दीज ऑल आर अंडर 1000 और आई कैन से अंडर 800 में सारे कुर्ते थे. अभी एग्जैक्ट प्राइसिंग क्या चल रहा है आई टोटली डोंट नो. आई एम रियली सॉरी अगर कोई भी थोड़ा सा हायर प्राइसिंग पे जा रहा है, बट these are totally the kurtas that you actually want in your wardrobe right now. We are at the end of this video, so that's all about this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, because part 2 is on the way already, and in part 2 I will be showing you a lot of complete suit collections that I bought for myself. And that's all about this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.